Hi, I thought I'd show you a simple tool for a tough little job. Making making this to hold the nut in place, and maybe you've all discovered this already. Sorry for my hands in the way. Nothing more than a little bit of a 1/8" welding rod brazed or soldered into a piece of brass. I picked brass because it solders easy. Could be made out of steel, or you could file the whole thing out of a block of mild steel. It works for me. You just hold it up, and of course steady hands help, but the projection or the stick out on these studs in the chuck does make a difference. I've got another chuck, of course, that the studs stick out too far, so I have to start the nuts before it gets all the way in place. Anyways, there you go.